check this out. So I just opened up the box. Man, this is a pretty dope setup. They got everything very organized, and got the side rails, and all the tools you need. They even give you a little wrench. These are the side pieces right here, but everything is in a box, everything you need. And I think they have some upgrades too, if you're that kind of guy that like to add stuff like that to your bed cover. All right, y'all, check this out. After this took me longer than I expected, after at least like probably, I said at least like a couple hours, because I mean, I'll say 2 hours. Y'all see what's going on here. We've been waiting on something for a very long time, and we finally got it. And I'm pretty sure some of you guys pretty much know exactly what this is. Very obvious, obviously. But we got a brand new bed cover, and this is not just a regular bed cover. This is a hard tunnel, low profile bed cover. As you guys can see, this is from Rough Country. This is for my truck. We've been needing this for a very, very long time, and we finally got it. Now, I'm excited to open up this box, and you guys know exactly what's next. So, man, I can't wait. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Tuesday. I think Tuesday. Beautiful day today. And it was pouring outside today, and I was kind of disappointed about that, but the rain stopped, nice blue skies, and pretty much, I want to say we got a bed cover we got to install today. Obviously, the weather right now is doing me justice, being good to me, so hopefully this is probably going to take at least like 45 minutes. I'm going to show you guys exactly the aftermath of how everything turned out, but we're going to be installing a bed cover today. But before we get into that, I want to say, if you're here for your first time on the channel, this is my beautiful 2014 Dodge Ram. Pretty much bone stock. Well, I wouldn't say stock, but it's stock. Just a cool air intake, lowering springs, little stuff change up here and there and stuff like that. But we got a lot of good stuff coming up for this truck. So if you on the channel, your first time, or you've been on the channel, you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, help support your boy. Join the family and see what I have planned for this truck, my 2013 Ram. We got a lot of things coming. This truck gonna be an animal. I'm gonna tell you guys that. It's gonna be an animal, gonna be putting out some real power. So you definitely wanna make sure you hit that subscribe button. But with that being said, let's get into installing the Rough Country bed cover. Check this out. So I just opened up the box. Man, this is a pretty dope setup. They got everything very organized, and got the side rails, and all the tools you need. They even give you a little wrench. These are the side pieces right here, but everything is in a box, everything you need. And I think they have some upgrades too, if you're that kind of guy that like to add stuff like that to your bed cover. That came with it. This should be a very quick, easy, and installing video. So just want to show you guys exactly how everything came in the box. Everything is well packed. Super pumped about this, man. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I've been waiting for the thing for the longest. Now it's about to be. We about to do it. We about to do it. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get to it. Y'all, just to give you guys a quick update, got the side mirrors and stuff. Took me a little bit to try to figure it out, but I got those two sides in, got the drainage. Show you guys down there, one on the left hand, one on the right hand side. Now the next thing we about to do is put the bed on there, the bed cover, and pretty much we ain't that far away from being done.
moments later.
All right, y'all, check this out. After this took me longer than I expected, after at least like probably, I say at least like a couple hours, because I mean, I'll say 2 hours. Should have really not taken me that long, but I didn't read instruction. I decided, think that it was going to be easy, simple, and pretty much the only hard part about doing this is you gotta, number one, you gotta adjust it once the bed cover is on. Don't fully lock all your lug nuts and stuff like that, pretty much, because you want to make sure you close it up, make sure it's not showing anything, everything's fully shut. As you guys can see, that right there I forgot to do, and so I end up tighten up everything and then closing the bed and realizing that it can't fully shut. So I had to go back. Took me at least a couple tries to fully adjust it, but now, as you guys can see, it's fully flush. Also, it locks up. This thing definitely looked good. I'll say, if you're out here trying to find yourself a bed cover for these Ram, my favorite, it depends on what you like, but I'll say my favorite is the hardtop, low cover of, I forgot the name of it, but it's like low profile, that's the name of it. But it is from Rough Country. This thing definitely looks sick, I ain't gonna lie, man. Definitely look good on the truck. Love how this look, man. Just give it a much way more decent look, man. Especially the bed being exposed during the winter time. It was snowing a lot. That's one of the reasons why I decided to get a bed cover. Not for the fact that I was gonna put anything in the back, but just to make it look a little bit more like nice. I think I definitely like the bed on this, a bed cover on this better than how it was before. It gives the truck a better look. But if you're out here trying to find yourself a bed cover, be honest, this was about almost like, I think $1,000. It's like 800 and some change. So I know it's a little bit expensive. I want to talk about this. I know it's a little bit expensive, but I would say, like, even though it's a little bit more expensive, especially if you have a truck for a work truck, you could pay that price, but it's gonna keep all your stuff nice and safe. You ain't got to worry about somebody trying to, like the plastic ones, like the ones that fold up, somebody could easily be able to fold that up and go in your bed, take whatever they want to take. But this is more like a safe, to me, safe. You could get through it, but I'm saying, like, it will take a while for you to, but it is a little bit on the pricey side, but I definitely will say it's worth it. And took me a little bit, but I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around, show you guys on the front side. Pretty much everything looked nice and clean. Now, installing this, I'll really say it's not really as difficult, but the only thing is you gotta adjust it, and then before you put down, before you fully tighten up your bolts, you gotta make sure everything is nice and flush, or else you're gonna have to loosen your bolts and stuff on both sides of the rails, and then it's gonna take you a lot. It's gonna take you a lot of time. That's what happened to me today. That's why it took this long. But this definitely looks super clean, man. If you're out there, you need a bed cover, Rough Country got you. It's not a sponsorship. It's my first time actually getting something from them. So just being real, that's gonna be it for this upload. You guys take care, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.